Good morning to all. Today we are going to continue the topic quadratic equations. Last class we have learned how to solve a quadratic equation by using the factorization method. Today we are going to solve a quadratic equation by using the formula. Those watching this video, please like, share and subscribe and also click on the bell icon shown below. So we are going to solve a quadratic equation by using the formula. For that we have to know the standard equation of a quadratic equation, and that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard equation of a quadratic equation. From this we have to solve the value of x. That is, we have to find the roots of the quadratic equation. For that, the equation of x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here, b is the coefficient of x, a is the coefficient of x square and c is the constant value. So, we are going to solve by using the formula, and the first question is 5x square minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. This is similar to the standard equation of a quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here, on comparing with this equation, a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 3. Then we have to use the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here we have to substitute the values b, a and c. So x is equal to minus b, minus of b's value is minus 2 plus or minus root of b square, that is minus 2 the whole square, minus 4 into a's value is 5. 5 into and c's value is minus 3. Divided by 2 into a, that is 2 into 5. Then on solving, x is equal to minus into minus plus 2 plus or minus root of minus 2 the whole square is 4 minus 4 into minus 5 into minus 3, that is minus into minus will become plus. Then 4 into 5 is 20. 20 into 3 is 60. So 4 plus 60 divided by 2 5s are 10, which is equal to 2 plus or minus root 64 by 10. 2 plus or minus root 64 by 10, which is equal to 2 plus or minus root 64 is equal to 8. So 2 plus or minus 8 by 10. So we got x is equal to 2 plus or minus 8 by 10. Then we can split it and write as x is equal to 2 plus 8 by 10, or x is equal to 2 minus 8 by 10. Here we get x is equals to 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 by 10 will be 1. So x value is 1, or x is equal to 2 minus 8 is minus 6 by 10, which is equal to, on cancelling, we get 2 3s are 2 5s are minus 3 by 5. So the values of x is equal to 1 or minus 3 by 5, and it is the roots of the quadratic equation. So let's move on to another question, that is x square is equal to 18x minus 77. That is, it is not in the form of a quadratic equation. So we have to move these two terms into this side. So it becomes x square minus 18x plus 77. That is plus 18x, on moving on to the other side it becomes minus 18x, and minus 77 on moving on to the other side becomes plus 77, which is equal to 0. And this is the equation, the quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So from here, on comparing these two equations, a is equal to, the coefficient of x square is 1. So a is equal to 1. Then b is equal to minus 18. Then c is equal to 77. Then our equation x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. We have to substitute the values of a, b and c. X is equal to minus b minus of minus 18. B's value is minus 18. Minus of minus 18 plus or minus root of 18. That is minus 18 the whole square minus 4 into A's value is 1 and C's value is 77 divided by 2 into A's value is 1. So x is equal to minus of minus is plus 18, then plus or minus root of 18 square, that is minus 18 the whole square is 324 minus 4 into 1 into 70, that is 4 into 77 is equal to 308 divided by 2 into 1 is 2. Then on subtracting this we get x is equal to plus 18 plus or minus root of 16, that is 324 minus 308 is 16 divided by 2. So x is equal to 18 plus or minus root of 16 is 4 divided by 2. Then we can write this equation by splitting it as x is equal to 18 plus 4 by 2 or x is equal to 18 minus 4 by 2. From here we get x is equal to 18 plus 4 is 22. 22 by 2 is 11. So x has one value as 11 and the other values x is equals to 14 by 2. 14 by 2 is 7. So x has two values, that is 7 and 11. That is the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 18x plus 77 is equal to 6. So let's see another question, that is solve the following equation, that is x minus 18 by x is equals to 6. Give the answer correct to two significant figures. And here the given equation is x minus 18 by x is equals to 6. We have to make it in the form of a quadratic equation. For that we have to take LCM. Here LCM is x. So x square, here x square minus cross multiply. 18 by x is equals to 6. That is x square minus 18. On bringing this x onto the other side it becomes 6x. Then x square, bringing this 6x to the other side it becomes minus 6x minus 18 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation which is equal to the form of the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. From comparing these two equations we get a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 6 and c is equals to minus 18. So we have to use the equation x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then substituting the values of a, b and c we get x is equal to minus b minus of minus 6 plus or minus root of b square. B square means minus 6. That is minus 6 the whole square minus 4 into a's value is 1 and c's value is minus 18 whole divided by 2 into 1. A's value is 1, so 2 into 1. Then x is equal to minus of minus is plus 6 plus or minus root of minus 6 the whole square is 36 minus 4 into 1 into minus 18. That is minus and minus will become plus. Then 4 into 18 is 72 divided by 2 ones are 2. Then x is equals to 6 plus or minus root of, this is 108. On adding it we get 108 divided by 2. So we got x is equals to 6 plus or minus root 108 divided by 2. And we can write it as x is equals to 6 plus root 108 divided by 2, or x is equals to 6 minus root 108 divided by 2. Here we have to know the value of root 108. For that we can take LCM. 108. 2s are 5, 4. That is 54. Then again 2s are 2, 7, 27. Again 3s are 3, 9s are 27. Again 3s are 3, 3s are. Then 3, 1s are. Again we can pair here. That is 3 and 3. We can take 3, 1, 3 outside. And from here 2 and 2, 1, 2 outside. Then 2 into 3, 6 root 3. That is, we can write root 108 as root of 2 into 2 into 2 into, 2 into 2, then 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Again pairing. This 2 will come outside as 2. Then this 3 will come outside as 3. Then into root 3. Balance 3 come outside as root 3. So we get 6 root 3. So the value of 108, root of 108 is 6 root 3. Then on putting that value, x is equals to 6 plus 6 root 3 by 2, or x is equals to 6 minus 6 root 3 by 2. Here we have to know the value of root 3. That is, the value of root 3 is 1.732. We have to learn it. The value of root 3 is 1.732. So we can put it here as 1.732. 6 into 1.732, which is equal to 10.392. So here x is equals to 6 plus 10.392 divided by 2, or x is equals to 6 minus 10.392 divided by 2. And on adding and subtracting we get x is equals to 16.392 by 2, or x is equals to minus 4.392 by 2. And on cancelling we get x is equals to 8.196, or x is equals to minus 2.196. And in the question is given that we have to give the answer correct to two significant figures. That is, including the numbers before point and after point, we should have only two numbers. So x is equals to 8 point, here it is 19. So on rounding off, 9 is greater than 5. So we have to add one number to the neighboring number. So it becomes 8.2. And the other value of x is minus 2.196. And rounding off we get x is equal to minus 2 point. Here it is 19 and 9 is greater than 5. So we add one number to the neighboring number. So it becomes minus 2.2. So the values of x is 8.2 and minus 2.2. And these are the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 6x minus 18 is equal to 0. And